Welcome to The Explainer. So today, we're diving straight into a hidden crisis that's literally keeping Chief Information Security officers up at night. We're talking about that silent, stubborn operational friction that just lurks right inside enterprise asset security policies.
Let me ask you this. Are your employees secretly ignoring your data classification policy? Now, I know it's a bit of a provocative question, but it points to a seriously high-stakes operational crisis. Think about it. You write a policy, you deploy it, and on paper, the whole shebang looks fantastic. But in the real world, down on the actual production floor or in the daily grind of firing off emails, people are totally finding workarounds. And that creates a massive vulnerability for us.
Section 1. The Asset Classification Trap. Let's look at how well-intentioned policies actually end up backfiring. 6. So, establishing too many classification tiers, say 6 really complex levels for data categorization, well, that might seem exceptionally thorough to an auditor who's designing the system from a desk. You've got public, internal, confidential, restricted, secret, top secret. But picture an everyday employee just staring at a massive drop-down menu while trying to send a quick email. It's just way too much cognitive load. It creates a huge amount of operational friction.
And naturally, this triggers a pretty predictable cascade of failure. Step 1, you introduce that overly complex policy. Step 2, staff confusion over proper label selection immediately sets in. They're sitting there wondering, wait, is this spreadsheet internal or restricted? And just to avoid getting it wrong, or honestly because they're simply in a hurry, we inevitably hit step 3, complete manual tagging drop-off. Employees just bypass the friction altogether, so your meticulously designed security posture, it now exists entirely on paper.
Moving into Section 2, Anatomy of Audit Failure. This is when operational annoyance becomes an absolute executive nightmare.
Okay, so imagine this absolute nightmare scenario during an audit. An auditor discovers sensitive customer data and PII just sitting right there in open access folders. And why? Well, because the files are missing those mandatory restricted or confidential tags that are supposed to trigger your automated protections. The thing is, the auditor absolutely does not care that your employees were confused by 6 different labeling levels. They only care that sensitive data is fully exposed. The result? A major non-conformance.
And let's be crystal clear about what that actually means. A major non-conformance isn't just a gentle slap on the wrist. No way. It's a devastating audit failure, indicating a massive systemic breakdown in your information security management system. It directly threatens your organization's certification status. We're talking about a genuine crisis that goes straight up to the executive board. And it all stems from a policy that was just too hard to use in reality. Section 3. The Timeless Security Posture. Let's talk about ditching the legacy era for modern resilience.
So think about the legacy era for a second. It's full of overengineered, confusing tiers that are so easily bypassed by staff. Honestly, it's basically security theater. But contrast that with a modern, resilient era posture. It's streamlined. It strictly aligns with the timeless operational planning and control mandate. The modern approach isn't about just throwing complex labels at the wall and hoping they stick. It's about seamlessly integrating security into operational planning so that the control actually happens effortlessly on the ground.
Your core mandate here is actually really simple. You need to master the timeless classification of information control. Flawlessly executing this single, timeless control is quite literally what audit success hinges entirely upon. We don't need to get bogged down in specific clauses, confusing naming conventions, or those rigid digits of the past. Instead, just define data classification tiers based on actual business value and impact. Keep it clear, keep it actionable for your staff.
All right, Section 4, the Elite Expert Template. This is your 5-page silver bullet.
Look, rather than building a policy entirely from scratch and risking that whole over-engineering trap we just talked about, you really need to consider a premium, done-for-you asset security classification policy template. And it spans just 5 editable pages. Plus, look at who actually built it. It was prepared by an elite committee under the ISO 27001 Institute, which operates under the aegis of the ISO Training Institute. We are talking about leading information security experts, principal auditors, the folks who actually conduct these rigorous audits, and lead ISO instructors. It's an incredibly authoritative document, perfectly designed for precision, efficiency, and real-world compliance.
Section 5, a 20-year head start. Let's look at the ultimate accelerator. Because all the heavy lifting is completely done for you here, customization is ridiculously easy. The document uses hypothetical company names like ABC Technologies Private Limited and acronyms like ABC TPL.
So you literally just open the file, use your trusty find and replace tool to swap out those default placeholders with your own organization's details. Drop in your logo, and you're good to go in just a couple of minutes.
15 to 20. By sincerely implementing this exact template, you instantly grant your organization a 15 to 20-year head start in ISMS maturity. I mean, really think about that for a second. You are essentially importing 2.5 decades of premium compliance and certification expertise directly into your operations, and you're doing it in a single afternoon.
So I'll leave you with this. Why risk a devastating major non-conformance? Why risk confusing your staff with overengineered, 6-tier legacy policies when the absolute elite 5-page standard is already built and waiting for you over at ISO 27001 Institute? You absolutely don't have to navigate this classification crisis alone. Head straight over to the Institute's website, secure your posture, and turn all that operational friction into streamlined, bulletproof compliance. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and definitely take that next step today.